Hey, thanks for joining. Today we're going to go through an oil change on a 2007 CBR 1000. To remove the lower fairings, you've got a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt here. Down on the bottom of the bike, you've got some quick screws here, here, and in the back. Over on the other side of the bike, you've also got a bolt here, a bolt here, and a bolt here. And actually, I missed it on the other side. For the lower fairing, you're going to have to pull this bolt as well. If you're enjoying this video, if it's helping you out, please like, and if you would, subscribe. To drain the oil, you're going to need to remove the drain bolt right in the center front of the engine. You do need to pull the lower fairing off to be able to change the oil filter here. We're going to leave the oil filter on for now because I'm pulling the entire motor out of the bike, but this is how we do this. You should have your bike in the upright position as you're draining the oil. I like to throw a stand underneath the back. That way the bike is completely vertical. When reinstalling the oil drain bolt, you should replace the washer on it. A lot of times you can really get away without it, but if you're going to do that, keep an eye on it when you first fill it up and fire it up that it doesn't leak. Torque spec on this is 22 foot-pounds. Or just wing it, but don't over tighten it. This is not a bolt that you want to strip out. I'll go ahead and put my new oil filter on. Now I'm going to fill it with oil. This should take 4 quarts of oil. There's a sight glass down the bottom that I'll be watching. The bike should be straight up and down and level. I got the back end raised, so I'll take that into account. Check out the complete playlist of disassembling and reassembling this bike and the engine.